How are artificial diamonds actually made? You probably thought they were just pieces of coal squeezed for millions of years under the Earth's crust. But no, let me show you the real science behind growing fire from a single seed. It starts with a diamond seed, a thin slice of carbon. Placed in a vacuum, it serves as the foundation where carbon atoms will bond to recreate nature's hardest bond. Methane and hydrogen gases are pumped in. Under extreme microwave energy, they transform into a glowing ball of plasma, reaching temperatures hotter than the sun. Carbon atoms rain down from the plasma, stacking layer by layer onto the seed. In weeks, it mimics a process that normally takes billions of years underground. The reactor cools, revealing a rough, lab-grown cube. It is chemically and physically identical to a mined diamond, born from pure engineering and extreme force. A high-powered laser slices through the rough stone with surgical precision. This is where the raw crystal is shaped into the iconic brilliant cut we all know. The stone is pressed against a cast iron wheel coated with diamond dust. High-speed friction grinds away the rough edges, slowly revealing the first symmetrical facets. Precision polishing brings out the fire. Using finer and finer abrasives, the diamond's surface becomes so smooth, it can finally bend and reflect light perfectly. Under a high-powered microscope, gemologists look for any internal flaws. Unlike mined stones, lab-grown diamonds often possess a level of purity rarely found in nature. A microscopic serial number is laser-etched onto the diamond's edge. This invisible mark proves its origin and guarantees it was grown under human-made conditions, from a single seed to a flawless gem. A masterpiece of physics and engineering that is chemically, physically, and optically identical to those buried for eons. The lab diamonds cost 40 to 80% less than mined ones. You're not paying for rarity, you're paying for the energy and technology used to grow them. Today, lab-grown diamonds make up over 10% of the global market. Their popularity is surging among those who value both science and sustainability. You will find them in high-end boutiques and major retailers alike. They are sold alongside mined diamonds, often indistinguishable without expert tools. Chemically, they are identical. A mined diamond is ancient history. A lab diamond is modern engineering. Both are real, but only one is conflict-free. The choice is yours, a stone from the earth or a stone from the stars of the lab. This was the full journey of a man-made masterpiece. Subscribe for more.